just got into Nguyen City in Vietnam, and today I'm gonna do a full street food tour for you guys. Let's do it.
City's Nguyen is in northern Vietnam. You can come here and eat a ton of delicious street foods that you're gonna crave as soon as you leave. And as soon as you arrive, you know there's a huge street food culture is presented on all street corners. Good morning, it's breakfast time. Follow me and try the first dish on the menu today. It is bánh cuốn. You know it's made up of fermented rice batter steamed in autoclaves. Let's go. First, she uses a liter to get a water powder and then spread it on the face of autoclaves, put on the lid and wait in 3 minutes.
A few moments later.
She is taking off the lid. You can see the water powder turn into a thin pancake, right? A really thin pancake. Oh, and she is getting a water powder again. I can see a mixture of pork and with ear fungus in a bowl. And she's putting a mix on it. Screw it and yeah, done. A perfect steamed rice roll. You can see she's cutting a steamed rice roll into many small pieces. I think it's easier to eat them, and every time I think about this one, I feel like it makes my mouth water. And finally, it's just a Thuy seasoning.
You know, normally it's served with crispy shallots, toast, or Vietnamese sprouts, but anyway, it depends on the availability. So, if you want to have a perfect steamed rice roll meal, please don't forget the sweet fish sauce. Here it is sweet fish sauce. And let me spray on them. I think it's highly great fish sauce smell, and it also smells sour and sweet at the same time. Maybe I will try. So rubber is so soft, and I think the mixture of pork and ear sponges is flavorful, and of course the sweet fish sauce is 100%. I love it so much. Hey, so this cost 10,000. It means $0.5. $0.5 for breakfast. It's amazing, right? If you guys want to try this, let's go to Cover Store on Tran Street in Nguyen City. Hey, our chili is coming. So what should we to enjoy the cold wind? I think the most ideal place is on the pavement. So let's move to Thai Market, the central market in Nguyen City to check it out. Follow me. One of the most famous food store in Nguyen City, and you can go there to go shopping and come here to enjoy the food. Let's go.
First, she takes a dry pancake, spreads the millet on the pancake's face, and she asks me how much sugar I want her. But I'm just want a little bit sugar because I'm on a diet. And then some green beans. And finally, she takes another dry pancake to lay on them.
Hey, it's so cute, right? I just have seen the dry pancake that is really big before, but you can see it's dry pancake is just as small as my palm. And now I'm super excited and I want to try it. I can see the crunchy flavor due to the dry pancake, and you can see it is millicent and it is really meaty and buttery, and it also has snappy crunchy due to the sugar inside of the dry pancake, and wow. Like a cake made of glutinous red flour and particular nut. Really, there's many things happening in my mouth.
Now let's imagine it's autumn afternoon. The squid is slightly, and you bite a millet dry pancake. Wow, such an amazing making the most of life.
Let's be going to the final food. It is a Vietnamese green dessert, and that includes a dozen of different ingredients.
Our order today includes black jelly, black beans, white jellies, and pink jellies, various jellies, right? Green beans, and what else? Oh, I think it's green jellies. Red beans, it is Indian taro, and oh, it's corn. It's my cup of tea. I love corn very much. White bubble and pink green bubble. She's putting some coconut grater in a bowl. It's amazing.
The paint is really colorful. You can see beneath the eyes of the water. I think there are something special to it. I think it's like harmonious. Yeah, harmonious. Also, it's trying to Liable and sauces from Indian taro, ground stew from various beans, and yeah, of course, couches from jellies. Yeah, we took the $100. You can have a full desert with fresh water under the summer and have an exciting view because this is car. It's just on the hill. Yeah, today we have had a wonderful day in Hanoi City, one of the street food places I have been. And now I'm just gonna say a huge thank you to you guys for watching this video, and please leave a comment below and click to the subscribe button if you haven't already. And yeah, thank you so much again. Bye!